Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ngayon ng opinion, reaction itong mga pahayag ni ex-senator Nicky Cositing na kung saan nagbitiw siya ng mga maaanghang salita laban kay PBBM at sa kanyang administrasyon. Yung pagbisita niya sa US, hindi yon state visit na summon. Pinatawag siya, report here. Parang ganon. Then, marami pang pinahayag ni Senator Cositing na kapalpakan na nangyayari sa bansa natin yan. Pakinggan natin. Ito, YouTube vlog ni Mosikero sa Bukid nakapost.
Our president was summoned to Washington. This is not a state visit. I'm not new to state visits. State visits are planned way months, sometimes years in advance. Ang national security po natin ngayon threatened by what? Hunger, disease. Hunger and disease, unemployment. Yan po. Yung healthcare na yan, edukasyon, yan po ang threat sa ating national security. Hindi galing sa labas. At hindi galing sa iniimbento ng mga nagbebenta sa atin ng mga sandatang lakas.
Yung US. Okay. So, dali ha.
We're all in solidarity with each other, fellow citizens of the Philippines. One big sigh. Yes, we had the State of the Nation address by the President yesterday. As President of the country, personally, I was expecting something forward-looking, something that would, outline what the plans are for the future, how grounded we are, and what has happened in the past. Of course, there's a whole litany of things that are supposed to have been accomplished and achieved. And in the height of the wake of the recent typhoon, still 14.4 million of our citizens consider themselves poor. That's not from me, that's from SWS, a very reliable survey. And hunger, according to SWS, has risen from 26.4 to 35.6% of those surveyed consider themselves having experienced hunger.
Yun. Mag-comment lang ako ha. SWS survey. Padami ang nagugutom na pamilyang Pilipino. Nasaan na yung legacy ng Pangulong Marcos nung bagong upo pa siya? Tinanong siya ng media, what legacy do you want to leave behind? Sagot niya, walang magugutom na Pilipino. At palagi niyang inuulit niyan. Kaya sa DSW merong walang gutom program. Nakatatlong taon na ang administrasyong ito. Dapat kung epektibo yung programa nila, dapat sana pababa ng pababa yung bilang ng mga Pilipino na nagugutom. Baliktad pataas ng pataas. Yan ang survey ng SWS, a very credible survey group na nagpo-focus sa quality of life ng mga Pilipinos. Tuloy natin.
Then of course, there's the recent tariff thingy.
Tarif.
People take very, light news about this tariff thingy, but I think that our future can be predicted according to these decisions that have been made in the last several days. You must have read in Filipino Star that I said, nasan ang mga tanong ngayon sa kalagitnaan ng baha?
Yun.
Seriously. Very serious.
Mga Amerikano, ironclad commitment daw ang tulong nila sa atin. Itong nagbaha, nasaan ang mga Amerikano? Alam niyo, nagpadala sila ng aircraft para tutulong sa rescue, relief, whatever. Yung aircraft na pinadala nila, tanker. Yung aircraft na yon ang gagamitin ng mga Amerikano kung may mga fighter jet sila, no? May mga misyon para hindi na babalik sa base. Sasalubungin ng aircraft na ito para sa kalangitan mag-refuel yung mag-refuel yung fighter jet ng Amerikano, then lipad na naman to the next mission. Ganon po ang ipinadala na eroplano. Tingnan nyo kung paano tayo niloloko ng mga Amerikano. At ito naman nating defense security officials, wala lang. Nagpadala ng eroplano na hindi naman makatulong sa baha dahil pang-refuel na aircraft ang pinadala. Yan ang question ni Senator Cositing, nasaan ang mga Amerikano itong panahon ng baha, relief, wala silang tulong. Ay nako.
This question. We were told at the start that the EDCA sites are here, or are allowed to be here because they would be at the forefront for relief and rehabilitation activities. That they are going to build warehouses, so relief goods can be stored and distributed in no time, so that our people will be given access to life-saving and property-saving efforts by the Americans. You know, we saw our people wading in neck-deep water, knee-deep water, waist-deep water, together with garbage, animal poo, and whatever else. Wala naman tayo nakitang mga kano. Nasaan
Yes.
sila? Lulusob lang kung sa Siargao o kaya sa Boracay. Pero pag nandito na kasama na yung tubig kanal, eh wala na sila dito. Diba? So, nasaan yung relief operations na yan?
So, i-shortcut ko na lang So, ang sinasabi is wala, hindi maasahan ang mga Amerikano. Yung mga EDCA sites na yan. Tapos, yung kalaban natin talaga, ang threat is yung hunger, education, health, binababoy nilang PhilHealth funds natin. Yan ang mga kalaban. Hindi yung kalaban na inimbento ng Amerika. Na, nandyan ang kalaban, kailangan nyo kami. Ang administrasyon naman, salamat. Welcome our big white brothers. Tulungan niya kami sa aming kalaban. Sinong kalaban natin? So, yun po. And then, grabe yung payag. The president was summoned in the US. He was not invited on a state visit. So, salamat, ex-Senator Nicky Cositing sa iyang matapang na pagpapahayag.